Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asti Khosyatillah. I'm from Arabic language and literature. And now, let me tell you about my different daily life before and after the pandemic. I think it's so different between when I go to university, learn in class, with learn by application. When COVID-19 came first time to this world, I feel it was a new way for learn. But after months, I start feel bored. Why? Because before COVID-19 come to this world, I always walk from my boarding school to university, and it make me spirit every day. I used to prepare myself 20 minutes before the class start. I know it was a struggle, but now I miss it so much. Now I stay at my home. There is no something special like gathering with a friend, do the project with them beside the mosque, or maybe buy something in a break time with them. I always wait that time for learn, and maybe the other thing I can do is help my parents to do some job. Before COVID-19 come to this world, I always want to follow any organization, but after the COVID-19 come, I rare to follow the organization because I afraid I cannot stand by as same as when I stay at my boarding school. And then I have a difficult in my when I follow the lesson. Why? Because the connection in my house not always stable. So I hope for this finishing pandemic. I think after this pandemic, I will do my best and take use of the time. After this pandemic, I think it will be a new life, new dream, and new spirit.